Hello students. Okay, this particular question is from electronic devices and circuits. Okay, now what is the question? It's a very simple question. Okay, because we know from the pattern that always the questions are going to be based on the electric field and the concentration gradient, and of course the diagrams of charge density, electric field, potential gradient. Now it's a straightforward problem, and even in 2016 we had a problem similar to that. Now what is the problem? We have to just plot the electric field profile for a step graded junction, which is an abrupt junction and uniformly doped on both sides. So when it is uniformly doped on both sides and a step graded junction, then you are going to have either this one or this one, because we know whenever it is uniformly doped, the profile of the electric field is going to be triangular. Okay, now it can either be this one or it can be this one, but if you know N side and P side, N side always the charge is going to be negative, because we are talking about donor ions. Donor ions are positive ions, and in the case of P, which is positive, here we are going to have the negative ions. So positive ions and negative ions. Here you have positive ions and here you have negative ions. So when you are integrating the charge density, you are going to get the electric field. Now when you are integrating the positive value, you will only get a positive value. If you are integrating a negative value, you will get a negative value. That is what is happening here. But here if you observe, positive, negative, if you are integrating a positive value, you have to get a positive value, but here it is given as a negative value. So the answer for this particular question is option A. It's a straightforward question.